Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So if you're new here, welcome to the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today's turban is going to be mixed Kampala with rawsilk, guys. So as you can see, this beautiful makeup was done by my student when she was practicing, and I had no tutorial to record. So I told her when she's done with her makeup, she can just bring down her model to the so that I can record a video on her. And yeah, voila, this is it. So starting off, I'm going to be starting with the rawsilk material first. I'm going to be making 5 pleats, placing it on her head. It's a 50-50 part rawsilk. It's a 50-50 part measurement of gele. So I'm going to be placing the rawsilk from the front of her head and then raise it up, making sure it's on equal path, as you can see, and then tighten it from the back. Not too tight, I just rolled each opposite side to the, I just bring the handle of the gele on the opposite sides. That I crossed it at the back and then asked her to hold it. I'm going to be bringing up the Kampala headtie now. I'll be folding it also, bringing it up just to make sure the Kampala, the detail of the Kampala comes out in the headtie. That is why we are going to be doing this. The headtie is too small, so I decided to just tie the headtie for her so that she can get good pictures, and also so that she'll manage the headtie like that. So when your headtie is very small, you can just decide to mix your rawsilk with your Ankara. You can also tie this on your own, and yeah. So I'm going to be rolling it at the top. So oops, the pin was not holding the gele very well, the Kampala very well, so I'll be asking her to press it. I'm going to be folding the first one again. The other side, I'll pin that down and then pin the other one too. You want to make sure you secure this before bringing up the rawsilk. So yes, this is done. I'm going to be bringing up this other handle, remove the pin. It was not really very secured. Then I'll bring it back again. Then I'll secure that, making sure it stays on. So as you can see, we've secured the Kampala. I'm going to be bringing up the rawsilk now, making sure I arrange it so that it looks really neat. You don't want your headtie to be looking too rough and the edges will just be coming out and all that. You're going to be making sure it's very neat. Let me bring up the other one too, the other handle, and also do the same thing we did with the Ankara, with the Kampala, sorry. I'll twist it too, bringing it on opposite side. So instead of tucking it in like that, I'll just twist it to give it more, another beautiful detail. So I'm going to be asking her to press it down. I just made sure it's going to get to the back when I twist it, or if I'm going to tie it at the back. That was why I measured it like that. So I'll be twisting the other handle too. So when you tie sophisticated gele like this, even on your own, when you tie it like this and you go for weddings, people will be asking you, where did you tie this gele? It looks so fine, it looks so complicated. You'll be thinking it's very hard, and it's just very simple. It's just up to you to watch the videos and then understand how they are tied. So you see that little peep of the Kampala there? That is all what we are, or like that is the detail we all want to see. So can you see this? Do you love this hair tie? We're going to be pushing it to the back to bring out the edges of your hair, and then boom, this is it, guys. This is the hair tie. Do you love this? Can you see the detail of the hair tie at the back, and look at it from the front, and everything just looks super cute. The only thing you need to do, you need to get the gele that goes with the rawsilk. Should go, the color of the rawsilk should go with your Kampala or your Ankara and everything like that. This is it. I love you guys so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.